My name is Fumi Ilori and I'm the CEO of iRead Mobile Library. iRead Mobile Library is books on wheels that goes to schools and communities in Nigeria, giving children books to read. Every year for the Yuletide season, we give out free books to children. In 2016, we gave out 7,000 books. In 2017, we gave out 8,000 books. 2018, we gave out 12,000 books. In 2019, we gave out 15,000 books. Unfortunately, in 2020, we couldn't give out books because it was the COVID year. And now in 2021, we are giving out 20,000 books. These books comprises of books around sustainable development goals and books that have to do with our environment. These books are sponsored by Small World Carbon. Small World Carbon is an organization based in the US and they work all across sub-Saharan Africa to support projects that are environmental friendly. They give funding to projects that are solar powered and solar related. But they just felt that, with what iRead is doing, we can support to give out books, to children, and the children can learn about the environment. And that's why we've been giving out these books. Now, this is a book titled The World We Want. The World We Want is a book by the world's largest lesson, talking about the Sustainable Development Goals in short stories for children. Some of them are comical, some of them are just short stories. And we worked with the United Nations Information Center to edit this book to become local content for Nigerian children. And several children have benefited from it, learning about the Sustainable Development Goals. In this book, we have Goal 1, No Poverty. And here, these two young children are speaking. Emeka is talking about Goal 1. What can we do as children to ensure that there is no poverty? And that conversation is happening on this page. And children can decide by themselves why is it important for children and young people to end poverty. And in Goal 2, we have No Hunger. Here is the story of Tanko. Tanko has a large family with several children that cannot make it to school. But the government intervened, and now Tanko can feed his family and also send his children to school. And there are several other goals, short, that way that children can learn about. The second book we're distributing this year is titled Tortoise. And Tortoise magazine is produced by the Nigerian Conservation Foundation. So this year we decided to work with them. And what is Tortoise teaching us? Today, Tortoise is teaching us about the forests. Do we really need forests? And this is a very important magazine that every child should have. In this magazine, it talks about the forest being endangered and why we need forests. So, the forests are referred to as the world's largest pharmacy. Pharmacy. Yes, that's because 1 out of 4 ingredients in our medicine is from forest plants. Forests are also referred to as jewels of the earth. Many of the food we eat come from the forest. The forest gives us variety of foods, and many of this information are right here in the magazine. One important thing in this magazine tells us about climate change and what we as children and even as adults can do to stop climate change. Here it talks about you can join a conservation club near you. You can volunteer to teach someone about the environment. You can set up a plastic waste collection in your school. You can ask your parents to reuse materials instead of wasting them. You can organize collection of plastics. You can plant and adopt a tree. You can use the library. Yes, that's what iRead is about. Use the library. The greenest way of reading is borrowing books from the library and giving away the ones that you do not want to read anymore. So please join iRead Library and you can help to conserve our environment. These and many more are embedded in this magazine. We want to say special thank you to all our partners, Small World Carbon, United Nations Information Center, NIPEN BEAC, and several others, the Nigerian Conservation Foundation, and all of the different schools that have benefited from this. We had almost 250 schools benefit, and we had 48,000 requests for the books. Unfortunately, we could only produce 20,000 copies, and these 20,000 copies have gone out. We're still giving them to the different schools and communities that we have identified. Children would have books to read this holiday, and we're really proud that they will be learning about the Sustainable Development Goals, about the environment, and all about climate change through reading. Thank you.